Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today I'm going to be installing this. Pretty cool, right? And I've never actually taken off this car's shift knob, so it'd be interesting. And it should be pretty simple. So first thing you do is unscrew this, and here we go. I believe this is the first time the shifter has ever come off. And now the shift knob came with 3 different sizes, and I believe it's an M10 times 1.25. So I just want to make sure that it fits, or we have the right one. It's definitely not that one. Alright, so I think this is it. I'm gonna use my other finger to hold the shift knob, or hold the piece in the middle. I kind of wish I could center it the other way. Yeah, so the converter piece is flush with the Pokeball. And this one is kind of pointing towards the front, which kind of sucks because I want it to be towards back me. I think I have to get a little nut down here so I could stop the shifter from spinning. But as far as installing shifters go, I mean, that's it. The original OEM shifter just screws off counterclockwise, just like mostly any other car. And then the shifter that you will install goes in here. I guess the boot, it will be exposed, so be prepared for that. You know, if you don't like the way it looks, you may have to buy like a ring or a bracket or something that just makes it look, you know, consistent. But there it is, guys. Thanks for watching.